And the paints I'm using today are from Hobby Lobby. They're the Fine Touch, and they're pretty good value. $6.99 for, goodness, it's probably 16 ounces. Yeah, 16 ounces of paint. So that's a pretty good price. And so I've got primary yellow. This is Phthalo Blue. And I've got Naptholene Carmine Red. And then I've got violet that I added some white to. And this is the only one that has some OGX in it. The others do not. And then this one is Viridian, which is like a turquoise green. I'm going to do one more with the same paints. This is a round canvas, 10 inches. I got it at Hobby Lobby. And these usually have MDF frames, which are super, super hard. So it's nearly impossible to get push pins in without a hammer. Okay, so typically I use a sink strainer, and I want to do that kind of a pour. This is a juicer, so it's a little different. And I'm just going to put it roughly in the center. We'll zoom in a little bit. So we're going to start. This is a little different in the fact that I'm just going to pour around the perimeter of it. All this does not have silicone in it. So nothing's really happening. I need to lift up a little bit to let the paint drain. So this is going to be different. Okay, this is going to be different than a sink strainer. This may not work out at all. We're going to find out right here and now. So it's going underneath the black. That's interesting. That's okay. I like to figure out different kinds of things to do. I'll put a little bit more white. Lift up. Set it back down. You can tell it's not even, so I'm pushing down on this side. And take it to the edge and back to the center. And my push pins are coming out. I'll have to set it on top of cups. So you're kind of shifting the weight a bit, but then bringing it back to center. So the weight can kind of recenter itself. Okay, so now get these last push pins off so they're out of the way. I'm just going to let it just slightly go over the edge and back. And that's funny that there's no silicone in this except for maybe the purple. And put out 4 cups. Get it centered again as much as I can. Cool cell stuff for some reason. Let me go back in the middle just a bit. So I guess the middle is mostly black with some cell stuff going on. I'm gonna just drag and swipe with my skewer and clean it. Just kind of going back towards the center. So that totally did not do what I expected it to, but it was fun. And it's different, and that's always good. Just to have something that's a little different from your average pour that you're used to doing. So I like the big old cells that are popping out, which is kind of cool. I'm going to call this one finished. Not anything like I expected, but really cool. So I'm going to move this over. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out all the links below. Hit the bell in the right corner if you want to subscribe and get notifications when I post new videos. Check out below the video where it says show more, or on your mobile device the down arrow. I have multiple links down there to my Facebook group, and I've started an online tutorial page, Sandra Lett, Embrace Your Creative Spirit. I've loaded up my first painting tutorial, painting a bohemian rainbow flower, which is really cool. Check that out, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks so much. Bye bye.